Now at 11, an alleged setup. The Pinellas State Attorney refuses to press charges in a lawyer's DUI arrest during the Bubba versus MJ Shock Jock trial. Good evening. I'm Jameis Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us tonight. We're learning why the state dropped DUI charges against MJ's high-profile attorney, Phil Campbell. Our Jacqueline Inglace joins us now live to explain. Jacqueline?
Tonight, this case is in the hands of the FBI and Florida Bar Association. Now, earlier this evening, I did have a conversation with Campbell's attorney. He told me that he has no doubts at all that these agencies will agree with what is in this lengthy memo, that his client was, quote, a part of a devious setup that happened here at Malio's.
Focus your eyes on the very tip of my finger.
The DUI stop you're looking at here in Tampa has been the focus of a 6-month investigation by Pinellas State Attorney Bernie McCabe. But it's what you don't see that has McCabe alluding that attorney Phil Campbell's January DUI arrest was set up by opposing law firm Adams and Diaco. That and the lack of evidence to convict are why McCabe dismissed the charges against Campbell on Monday.
Of course, it's going to be a giant lawsuit.
At the time of Campbell's arrest, he was in the midst of a high-profile shock jock trial involving Bubba the Love Sponge. He represented Todd M.J. Schnitt. Opposing counsel was Stephen Diaco. When arrested, Campbell was driving Melissa Personius's car. She was in the passenger seat, and Campbell had no idea Personius was Diaco's paralegal. This 50-page memo written by McCabe points to phone records that show Personius spotted Campbell at Malio's, then left and immediately called her bosses. 2 hours and 108 text messages with her bosses later, Campbell was in cuffs.
Turn around.
It was later revealed that a lawyer at Diaco's firm tipped off his close friend, a Tampa DUI sergeant, that Campbell was going to be driving drunk. That sergeant lay in wait for 2 hours. Although no motive was ever given for why Diaco would set up Campbell, McCabe gave a clear-cut reason, writing, quote, "There appears to exist an animosity between the lawyers that went beyond typical advocacy." For Adams and Diaco released a statement saying they respect McCabe's decision as part of this process, but could not comment further. Now, as for the officers involved in this DUI stop, McCabe has also questioned their credibility. And tonight, Tampa Police Chief Jane Castor is acknowledging that they exercised poor judgment. Live in downtown Tampa, Jacqueline Inglace, ABC Action News.
Jacqueline.